Wake up, beautiful babes. Your girl, Sweet Angel. I am still relaxing right now because very eventful weekend for sure. Y'all, I did have to go out yesterday and get me another computer, so I'm working on that. Lots of upgrades as far as my um, work equipment is concerned because I just trying to take things to another level and a level of, you know, well, I have to get things done. I have to upgrade some things. So, if you see a bright light in my eyes, I have my daylight from Carex that I use each morning to help energize me. It's like my sunlight that comes through, even when it's cloudy. It's definitely bright, but I just set the tone with this new look today. So excuse that. If you don't like it, I'm sorry. But girl, I look so rough right now. I can't be in color. Not right now. So I'm just relaxing for a moment, just setting up my day for what's next for today. Um, Always something going on right now. It's very busy in my life, and it's that season when everybody starts booking shows. So that's the other leg of what I do. And what else I got going on today? I'm still working on my new computer. It's actually a Hewlett Packard. I'm not an Apple girl yet of any sort. Apple iPhones, iMaxes, and all of that stuff. I'm not that person. So I just have to do what does me best. And right now, hey, Windows 10 is it. I am definitely in the process of getting geared up for my birthday month. This is it, March. I'm a birthday baby this month. Every chance I get is something about me, for me, this month for sure. So I am so excited. And again, I want to send another shout out to my girl Lady G in Chicago for those beautiful purses that she sent to Maddie and I. We love them so much. Absolutely. We do. I thank you so much for that. And yeah, that's my purse of choice right now. I'm going to be rocking my new Chanel. And you'll also stay tuned for the Simply Earth giveaway that I have not done yet. So be on the lookout for that. If you are a lover of essential oils, the Simply Earth essential oil box is the way to go. So I'll have more information coming up real soon on that. So I more than likely will go live on Beauty by Sweet Angel for the giveaway. So be mindful of that. Beauty by Sweet Angel. Hang out with me on there and get that great information. So I was planning on getting me a little bit more rest, but I'm too excited. Got to get up, got some things I want to do. So I'm going to go ahead and cut it off right now. If I turn the camera back on, I will be back at you. But if not, I'll see y'all on the next little snippet or video, etc., etc. Love you, beautiful babes. Like, comment, and subscribe. And always share your girl with your world. And I'll see you on the next one.